The University of Venda, commonly known as Univen, is one of South Africa's leading universities located in Thohoyandou, Limpopo. If you are planning to study in 2027, this guide will show you how the application process works, what documents you need, the admission requirements to expect, and some important tips that can improve your chances of being accepted. Applications for the academic year usually open on the 1st of May. Different programs may have different closing dates, so it is always a good idea to apply as early as possible rather than waiting until the deadline. Popular programs can receive many applications, and applying early gives you more time to fix any issues if they arise. One of the biggest advantages of applying to Univen is that undergraduate applications are free. Unlike some institutions that charge an application fee, Univen generally allows prospective undergraduate students to apply online without paying an application fee. This makes it easier for students to apply for admission without worrying about extra costs during the application process. Before applying, make sure you meet the admission requirements for your chosen program. Current grade 12 learners, applicants who have already completed matric, NCV holders, and international students can all apply. However, every qualification has its own admission requirements, so it is important to check the prospectus before submitting your application. For bachelor's degree programs, you will generally need a bachelor's pass and an APS score that meets the requirements of your chosen course. Some programs may require mathematics, physical sciences, life sciences, or other specific subjects. Diploma and extended programs may have different APS requirements, so always verify the exact requirements for the qualification you want to study. Before starting your application, prepare all the required supporting documents. These usually include a certified copy of your South African ID or passport, your grade 11 final results, if you are currently in grade 12, your national senior certificate if you have already completed matric, and any other documents requested by the university. Make sure all scans are clear and easy to read. To apply online, visit the official Univen online application portal at univen.ac.za. Create an account using your personal details. You will then verify your email address and complete the online application form. Take your time when entering your information to avoid mistakes that could delay the processing of your application. Once your profile has been created, select the qualification you want to study and complete all the required sections of the application. Upload your supporting documents where requested and carefully review all the information before submitting. After submission, you should receive a student number or application reference that you can use for future inquiries. After applying, it is important to monitor your application regularly. You can log in to the application portal to check for updates and review your application status. The university may also contact you by email if additional documents or information are required, so check your inbox frequently and respond promptly to any requests. Many students experience delays because of simple mistakes during the application process. Common problems include uploading blurry documents, entering an incorrect email address, using the wrong ID number, or applying for programs without meeting the admission requirements. Taking a few extra minutes to double-check everything can save a lot of frustration later. To improve your chances of admission, apply as early as possible, make sure your documents are clear and complete, and choose programs that match your academic results. It is also helpful to read the prospectus carefully so you understand exactly what each qualification requires before submitting your application. In summary, the University of Venda offers a straightforward online application process, free undergraduate applications, and a wide range of qualifications across different faculties. Prepare your documents early, check the admission requirements carefully, and submit your application as soon as applications open so that you can avoid unnecessary delays and give yourself the best chance of securing a place for 2027.